Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you don't already subscribe to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any new videos. So I have some super exciting news to share with you guys today. I'm officially on LTK. If you've never heard of LTK before, don't worry. I'm about to break it all down for you, and trust me, you're going to love it. So what exactly is LTK? Is basically your one-stop shop for all my favorite finds, must-haves, and deals that I'm loving right now. Think of it like a magical shopping hub where you can see exactly what I'm loving, where I'm getting it from, and the best part, you can actually just shop directly from that app. Easy, right? So here is why you're going to want to download it ASAP. I'm going to be sharing exclusive deals, cute home finds, fashion, gift ideas, and all the random goodies that I'm constantly raving about. Seriously, if you've ever thought, oh my gosh, where did she get that? Now you'll know. Okay, so here is how to get it. Grab your phone, head to the App Store or the Google Play Store and type in LTK. That's LTK, and then download the app. It's free, quick, and you'll be up and running in no time. And if you're on your computer, you can also create an account and shop directly from your desktop browser. So once you've got it, just search for me, Creations with Tori, and it will automatically follow me. So that's it. You'll instantly have access to all the fun finds that I'm sharing. I'll also leave my link in the descriptions below, so all you have to do is click on it and it'll take you directly to my page. If you don't already have an account, the link will guide you to create one first before you can follow me. And don't worry, you don't have to put a credit card. I'm trying to hit 300 followers, and once I do, I'm going to pick the winner for my giveaway. So whether you're looking for a cute holiday decor, fashion, gift ideas, or you just want to see what's on sale, I've got you covered on LTK, and you'll be the first to know when I'm sharing something new. And to make this even more fun, I'm hosting a giveaway. That's right, I'll be giving away a $25 gift card to one lucky subscriber. So here's how to enter. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, follow me over on LTK, and leave a comment below letting me know that you've done both. Once I hit 300 followers, I will pick a winner. So let's make this happen. Thank you so much for your support, you guys. I'm so excited to share this new adventure with you. Good luck with the giveaway, and I can't wait to see you on LTK. Bye, guys.